Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Hollow Knight without any errors or corrupted setup problems. Step 2. Before opening the setup folder, go to the video description and check the download link for this game. Make sure to watch the full video to avoid the setup corrupted error. Step 3. Click on the Windows search bar and type Windows Security. Open it. Step 4. Select Virus and Threat Protection. Then click Manage Settings. Step 5. Turn Real-Time Protection off and click Yes when the pop-up appears. Once done, minimize this window. We'll come back to it later. Step 6. Open the Setup folder. Double-click on setup.exe and select Yes when asked. Click OK to continue. Step 7. Click the music icon in the installer to mute the sound. Make sure no background apps are running while installing. Step 8. If your PC has less than 8 GB RAM, check the box Limit Installer to 2 GB of RAM usage. Step 9. Click Next, then Next again. Click Browse and select the location where you want to install the game. Click OK, then Next once more. Step 10. Check all the boxes that appear, then click the Install button. Step 11. Wait for the installation to complete. Once it's done, open the Windows Security window you minimized earlier. Step 12. Scroll down and click Add or Remove Exclusions. Then select Yes if prompted. Step 13. Click Add an exclusion, then choose Folder. Navigate to the folder where you installed Hollow Knight, for example, in C drive. Select the folder and click Select Folder. Step 14. The game folder will now appear in the exclusions list. Go back and turn real-time protection back on, then click Yes to confirm. Step 15. Close Windows Security. Uncheck the option that says Redirect to Site, then click Finish in the installer. Step 16. You should see a message that says all files are okay. No missing or bad files found. Step 17. Now install DirectX if prompted. Step 18. After that, open the game. It should launch perfectly without any problems or missing files. Step 19. That's it, guys. You've successfully installed Hollow Knight. You'll never face any setup or game-related issues again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if this helped you. ChatGPT.